diminished. So how to keep on motivating the people who want to volunteer? This is the
very good job you are doing. It's good, but see the deterioration or diminishing of motivation. I think then somewhere you people, those are organizing at the top structure, I think losing somewhere. When interest is going on decreasing. For example, my interest of talk will lose when if you are not asking good questions. Involvement will be there, or you will not listen to me if I am not answering properly. Means we must involve and we must keep our work nature is that motivation will go down. And somewhere going down, you must do that research. What happened? You must tap that and try to, I think, bring him up. In your job, social work, of course, you must, Baba please, Baba please. Then social work is possible.
So one question I wanted to ask. Obviously, there are lots of people in a company, right? But if there's one area and if your people they get ill, or then how do you manage? If there's some problem,
absenteeism.
If there are absentees, then how? Because the food has to be delivered at the place. So how do you have the backup? Because
see, number one, there should be a discipline for absenteeism. If you talk about specific point, absenteeism. If you remain absent, he must be punished with the money only, I think. Number two, this money should come to the group. Suppose we 10 people are working and among them one is remain absent. Whatever the fine you charge, you pay to these other 9 people. I think that is the best way, what I feel, for absenteeism.
Yes, sir.
I think it will reduce.
So definitely if one is absent, then the other 9 people have the workload.
Exactly.
And they need to get some benefit out of it.
It's not because of benefit. It's just psychological effect. They are going to punish. So by his punishment, the people who are punished, actually they should be benefited.
Yes, sir.
In short. Of course, proper body is motivation, no doubt. I think it is possible.
Sir, I am working in solar field in village area. I am supplying solar product like solar chargers, solar lanterns and solar products in village area, DC fans also. So in that I am finding a difficulty that how I market my products well.
It's a direct marketing. If you use that, because you may not able to.
No, I have exposure in village area. Good exposure. I am belong from village area. And then I have completed my education from that area.
You may not able to spend more on marketing. So you must reach the people. First, you have to present the importance of your product. Then only you can convince your customers. Many customers goes to other places. Even salesman comes, they don't prefer to buy from them because they don't have faith on it. So that you have to generate first.
So companies, there is a lot of competition in this field. There is many companies are making products are cheap, but my products that I am not initially manufacturing that product. But now after some time when I get reach to a level, then I will start manufacturing. So now I am just trading of products.
No problem. In trading, you must sell this. My product is the best than any other. There may be best others in the product, but you must prove with such a challenge, such a maybe confident that if anything happens, I'll get it. And you must. Sometimes somebody complains, somebody returns. You must return immediately with honestly take the new product. Because what I feel in business, if new customer do not comes, no problem. The present customer should not go out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ ना कि जो बंदा जाता है ना, वो आने वाले 10 को रोकता है.
Yes, yes.
एक बंदा नहीं आएगा, नो प्रॉब्लम यार. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, यही प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. We sell the product and we least bother about the present customers. It's very important.
Yes.
So I want to know if you could elaborate about your supply chain model. How do you define the areas, segregate them, coding?
I'll do in that lecture.
I think Sumit, you read
Not able to tell
everything
details
regarding this.
Short. You are going to attend, please, right?
So now everyone knows that Mumbai Dabbawala is there. Now you are a very established name. So when you started, People now know that the Dabawala exists and that motivates people कि अगर मेरा husband जा रहा है तो मैं खाना पहुंच जाएगा. शुरू में आपने कैसे लोगों को अट्रैक्ट किया?
नहीं, मैं तो खैर दबावाला हूँ भी नहीं. मैंने इसके ऊपर PhD की है. The business started 120 years back. तो कैसे था? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं वापस इनका एग्जाम्पल ले रहा हूँ. इन्होंने आज ऐसा जो नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया. अब इफ दे स्टार्टेड दिस बिजनेस टुडे, रियली दे वर्क विद द पैशन विदाउट अर्निंग money is the only motto. See, the things will go on happening continuously. So when those people who start the inception depend on them, so the man who started, Mr. Mahadur, before 120 years, imagine. The people are gone, joining, and today 5,000 people are there. So it's continuous process. Right? So it is happening continuously. I don't think it's a problem.
We have also started a company which motivates people to pursue their talent. जैसे आप काम करते हो, आप काम के बिजनेस में अपने टैलेंट को परस्यू नहीं कर पाते हो. हम लोगों को मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं कि आप टैलेंट को परस्यू करो.
So for that thing, I think you may get some slides, some examples, because people always believe in visualization. Now, why people believe Dabawala? Because all over the world they know it's open work, it's going on railway platform and footpath and railway trains. So people believe higher they are doing. So somewhere I think somebody get motivated. I can do this. Believe me, when I talk about time management, I get number of mails after my session. Sometimes more, sometimes less. Sir, at least one thing I am starting from today. 100% I will go in time to my office. This is my mail to you. Thank you. I don't know continuously how it's because I cannot follow. Actually, I should follow after a couple of months. Mr. So and so, are you continue now? And honestly, I don't get time, so I could not do that. So with this, people get motivation, really. Whatever the story you found, you can do it. Yes.
Sir, technology has advanced a lot. So do you think that technology can help the dollars to be more efficient, or it's not required for you?
As on today, it's not required. It's not concerned. Their work is not work nature is not that. It's concerned individual technology.
And sir, for a long time you are present in Mumbai. Why you are not expanding to other cities? Or is that?
Okay, I told that because of one thing is Jarjbeg structure, then railway lines, state railway lines, and then crowded local trains.
Sir, whenever we study Six Sigma, we take your example, but you never started with that. So over a period of time, have you implemented a Six Sigma in your course?
The people they are working the Dabawala, they don't know what is Sigma and Six Sigma.
No, on the management point.
Not at all management.
So
See this, I think about this better you ask this question after
the talk.
session, right? So I think your question will change or you will ask something more better.
Yes, but I have a question. Obviously, I think that people will not even ask in last videos at YouTube and all that.
Please,
You never
please.
answered. Why people don't take their dabba with them, say in the morning? What I studied is that people leave somewhere around 8 and somewhere around 10 their wives are sending tiffins. So is it just that it's a wife's mistake that she is not able to get the dabba prepared at 8, she needs that 2 hours time, or the trains are overcrowded that they cannot even carry their dabba with them, or it's something else?
Both the reasons.
Only these two reasons, right?
It's not at all possible to carry those dabba in those crowded trains.
It's even impossible to carry yourself in those crowded trains.
That's okay. But directly operation is concerned, I would suggest better you ask me these questions